driving jet, but I know how to drive plane. It's super hard, but I know how to drive plane. It's so slippery. The handles are so slippery. I might crash. I'm driving Air Canada today, so this time I might die only, not dying. Oh, I lost one wing. We're flying Liberty Airlines. So this time, it's more easier to fly because it's not a jet. I'm flying Gen X Airlines. Oh, there's a big jet right here. So if you don't get a wing, today we're flying Delta Airlines. So it's made from United States of America. Today we're flying Ryanair Airlines. Today we're flying Lufthansa Airlines. As you see, I'm very good at jet lag. I jet lag a lot because the year of the time in Canada is 3 a.m. We're flying Ryanair Airlines again. It kind of looks like Arsenal, but it's normal Air Flight 7. Today we're flying Welling. Today it's very birthday 444. Thank God I didn't crash. Let's fly this airline again. We're flying Welling again because the other plane crashed immediately. Today we're flying Airbus White called the A22. Let's go. A22. We got this. Oh my God. The wing of A22 this. Let me fly A22, guys. I crashed that plane. Okay, let's fly. Today, we're flying Airbus A22. Okay, how's your day today, man? Your plane got destroyed? That's my plane. I'm going to nosedive. That was the A22. Today we're flying Travel Coupe. We're flying Travel Coupe, and this airline is very nice and jet lagger. It goes so fast, as you see, I crash. Today we're flying PC-24. As you see, I'm trying to land because I land like 150 times. No, my gears! Today we're flying Benchcraft. It's so loud! No aircraft! Stop! It's so loud! Finally, it's landed. Today we're flying DA-42. We're gonna land. Oh, my gear failed! My gear failed. We're flying D3 Cub. Okay, let's fly again. It destroyed. Let's do Casino 172. That's the last plane, not the last plane. aircraft exploded. Today we're flying F-16. This is how I will fly basically. So, you have to hijack people with this aircraft. Yo, this Air Canada is insane. Goodbye, guys. It's the end of the year. Okay, let's watch YouTube Super Lane.
I'm calling the cops. Oh, good. You mean the only?
Let's watch Super.
I'm calling the cops. Oh, good. You mean the only number your phone?
Let's watch Super Lane, guys.
Mom, I'm heading out.
Luna, you haven't had your breakfast yet?
It tastes terrible. It has no flavor at all.
Hey, Luna, come here quickly.
What is this?
It's a lucky bracelet. Wear it and you'll never miss a single shot.
Really? Wow, this is such an amazing item.
Wait, you can only use this bracelet up to 5 times.
Wow, I actually hit the target. Sir, I'd like to play one round of the game. Wow, you really never missed once. Sir, all these prizes belong to me now.
No way. You've wasted all those precious chances.
I still have one last chance left.
Hurry up and figure out how to get the most out of it.
Sis, Dad got into a car accident. Come quick and check on him.
Make sure you make good use of this final chance. Luna, you're back. I made lobster for you today.
Mom, how come you can walk now?
I don't know why. My lame leg suddenly healed.
With this last chance, I want to wipe out all illnesses in the world.
Hey, Luna, my dad's injuries healed all of a sudden.
Director, somehow every single patient in our hospital has suddenly recovered.
May everyone stay far away.
Oh my goodness, Jenny. Where did you get such an expensive painting?
I just drew it casually.
You must be bragging.
I'm not.
Goodbye, everybody. I love you.